Hey you guys, so I put together a video over my favorite eyeshadow look. I've had some people ask me how to do this, so if you're interested, just keep watching. I'm not really sure why I'm playing with my hair right here, but I am and it's kind of funny. Okay, so I have concealer over my cheeks and I'm just kind of going with my beauty blender and evenly blending this out. I've had random breakouts here, which I'm not sure why, and my mascara and brows are done, so we haven't had to worry about that. Now I'm taking my NYX eyeshadow base in the color Nude and I'm just evenly putting this over my eyelids and underneath my brows. Now I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm evenly blending this out. You want to make sure you have this as smooth as possible for a smooth eyeshadow application. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and the first color I'm going to use on my eyelids is the Primavera. It's a really pretty gold, and I just want to use that to make my eyes kind of pop a little bit, but also leave a lot of light around my eyes. This is a very good one to use if you're going for a subtle look, but I personally love it. Now I'm taking my Vermeer, which is a light champagne color in the top row, and it's really pretty. I personally love a good champagne color beneath my brows. I wear it all the time, but this is one of my favorites. Now I'm taking the Red Ochre, which is a really pretty soft red color, and I'm evenly putting that in my crease, and we're about to blend it out. Now I'm taking the Cypress Umber, which is a really pretty brown, and I'm making a C shape in the end of my eyes. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. concealer, I'm going right beneath my eyes, making soft little strokes. Make sure you don't accidentally touch your eye, of course. Now I'm taking my flat belly brush and I'm evenly blending that in, also known as a concealer brush. Now I'm doing some liquid eyeliner. Guys, you really need to be taking your time on this part because it is very frustrating if you're not taking your time. Have a steady hand and just go easily at a time. I like a quite elongated wing, but not too crazy. Now I'm doing some lashes. These are the Kiss lashes actually, and I really like these. These are the flirty lashes. So you just want to put an even strip of glue on, and the key is you want to get these lashes as close to your natural lash line as possible. I like to blow on them to make them kind of tacky and they adhere better. They adhere better to your eyelids. So now I'm taking an eyeliner, I'm going beneath my eyes, and I'm taking a really pretty red, but I'm lightly dabbing it for that really pretty pouty pink color. You can do your lipstick however you want. This is just personally my favorite way of doing it. Now I'm taking the Wet n Wild highlighter powder, and this is the Precious Petals, and it's really light, really pretty. I'm taking a fan brush to apply it, of course, and first time I didn't get much on the brush, but the second time you can tell it's really pigmented, but that's my fault. I needed more pressure on the brush. Now I'm taking the NYX setting spray and just letting that dry, and then there's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've personally never made a video before and I'm really happy about this one. I'm a diva. I'm a